Lisa Montgomery with CE Pro TV and CE Pro Magazine, and I am here at the Paradigm booth with Rob Sample from Paradigm. I see you are just packed in here with speakers.
Yes.
What are some of the newest additions to your family?
Well, the newest additions are coming out this fall. The SE series, which is sort of a bridge product between monitor and studio. It's mostly studio components. Studio is our most popular line. It's right behind you. SE is a very small line. It finished in real wood veneers and gloss paint finishes. It's one bookshelf, one floor standing, one center channel, and one subwoofer. And they're all small and compact for modern lifestyle living. And like I said, finished in several different wood veneers and gloss paint, both gloss white and gloss black. So we're very excited about those, to have a lower priced real wood veneer lifestyle speaker in our line that has the performance of studio products. So that's really exciting. Also coming this fall, at the very other end of the spectrum, are two new subwoofers, the Sub 1 and Sub 2, which are the highest output subwoofers in the industry. Massive amounts of deep, low distortion bass. These are freestanding subs. These sit, in the room or in the home theater. Unparalleled performance, though. And if your viewers and readers know anything about Paradigm, it's all about the performance and value for us. So we're shooting for the very top of the heap with our subwoofer performance.
Okay, I noticed there's just a lot of speaker manufacturers. How does Paradigm differentiate itself from others in the marketplace?
Well, we're a vertically integrated company, Lisa, which means we manufacture, design, tool, build everything ourselves in-house, with very few exceptions. We have a few manufacturing partners for some components, but virtually everything we do is done in-house in Canada in our 250,000 square foot factory. It's a huge place. And that gives us the ability to spend 4 years doing R&D and engineering on a new product. For instance, the CE Pro gave us the, I forget the exact title of it, but it's the in-wall subwoofer product of the year award. Most of our dealers are shy of in-wall subs because they're used to having real performance, and heretofore there has not been real subwoofer performance in an in-wall product. But because of our engineering capabilities and the fact that we can do our own tooling, we have come up with a vibration canceling in-wall sub that has the output of a real floor standing sub that everybody else is used to. So I think that's why your magazine gave us that award, is because for the first time you can actually hide something in the wall and get that visceral deep bass. So what separates us apart at the end of the day really is our ability to build to exacting engineering standards, set the bar higher every year for not only ourselves but the rest of the industry, and still keep value in our product because we're not buying everything from somebody else. We're making it ourselves. So we're performance and value. You really can't have value if you don't have performance. I mean, it can be cheap, but if it doesn't perform, that's not value either. So it has to have good performance and good price, and that's what really separates us apart.
Going forward, what can we expect to see from Paradigm?
Well, again this fall, actually, it's shipping now, is the new Signature series. And this is our very top of the line offering, real wood veneer finishes, beautiful finishes, and we have increased the output of these speakers by 100%. They play 3 to 6 dB louder than they did in the previous version. All new woofer technology. The tweeters have remained the same because the tweeter was not the limiting factor in the design. The woofers were, and they played plenty loud before, but again, our engineers got up extra early every morning, came to work, and designed new woofer chassis, new surrounds that actually allow us to play that much louder. So now, without increasing the size of the speaker, we've increased its output many times.
So you're really going to be rocking the house.
We are going to be.
Okay. Now, dealers, if they want more information about Paradigm or its products, where do they go?
Well, Paradigm.com is probably the best resource because that has the whole line there. Now, some of our newest product won't be on there, but of course, they can contact their local rep. We have independent reps throughout the country. They can get a hold of the rep through Paradigm.com. They can. The phone numbers are there. We're based out of Toronto, of course. stores. So that's probably the easiest way to find out more information about us. We're also associated with Anthem. You didn't mention that, but this is actually the Paradigm Anthem booth. Our sister company, wholly owned company, is Anthem Electronics, a subsidiary of Sonic Frontiers, and we manufacture the state-of-the-art in surround sound processors and amplifiers, projectors. We've got a Blu-ray player coming this fall from the Anthem line. And this spring, you asked earlier, what can we expect in 2010? Probably the biggest news in Anthem is that we'll have receivers entering the receiver market in the spring with Anthem. So we'll be able to, from the source component to the processor, the amplifiers, the projector, the speakers, we'll be able to supply an installer everything they need to make a complete home theater.
You've got all your bases covered.
Yes.
Well, it's been a pleasure speaking with you. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you.